Hi everyone, I'm Tanu and this is Lumina Analytics, an AI-powered data analysis agent that transforms raw data into actionable insights through natural language interaction. Instead of manually cleaning data and creating visualization and writing reports, users simply upload a dataset and let the AI agent do the work. Now we'll upload copy.csv file into it. The, Now we can see the file is uploaded. The AI automatically profiles the dataset, identifies its structure, and provides a summary including rows, columns, feature types, and data quality. As you can see in the left panel, now we can ask the agent to describe the dataset. As we can see, it starts executing codes and working on the dataset. So the dataset provided, coffee.csv, is a small structured dataset containing 14 entries and 3 columns. We can see the dataset overview, data profiling, and the dataset is clean and ready for immediate analysis, as it states. We can go for visualizations now. Let me say. Now that there are no missing values as said, we can just start with the visualization. We can ask it to generate visualization. So now it's working on it. It will be executed in a bit of time. Like you can see, it completed visualization and created flow charts for the data I provided, and it can be seen in visualizations gallery. It takes a bit time to load. Yeah. Now these are the graphs that has been created by the AI agent. Distribution graph, histogram, and everything. You can see all the compilations are over there, and we can now just let it explain the graph. So we can say explain the histogram. It will explain how the histogram works, what kind of data it is using, what are the bins information. You can see over here, it provided numerical distribution and insights from the histogram. It is a very detailed analysis done by it. The agent provides a lot more good quality data. Now we can do with, we can ask it to create report, or we can also ask them for code generation. I would like to go with generating executive report. Every generated artifact is organized within the workspace, allowing users to easily review and download the analysis. Now it has generated the executive report and also Jupyter Notebook for the analysis and visualization code that the agent has used. We can see at generated deliverables, report and notebook and other files, the coffee.csv in workspace and the other generated files that agent has provided. Now let's perform some data analysis or get some insights by the AI agent. Yeah. Now it has given us the total analysis, it has completed, the task, the available files it has generated, and how would you like to proceed? Like we can work more on the data set as we wanted to. It will work like we wanted to. So behind the scenes, the agent profiles the dataset, performs exploratory data analysis, selects appropriate visualizations, generates insights, and creates a comprehensive report, all through natural language interaction. Lumina Analytics demonstrates how AI agents can simplify data analysis by automating repetitive tasks while helping users better understand their data. Thank you.